In today's video, I will walk you through how to create anonymous polls on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Anonymous polls are a great way to collect honest feedback because participants can vote without revealing their identities. Whether you're managing a group, organizing an event, or simply asking for opinions, Telegram makes it easy to create a poll where votes remain anonymous by default. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create one. To begin, open the group or chat where you want to post your poll. Keep in mind that polls can only be created in chats where you have permission to send them, such as groups or certain channels with the appropriate posting rights. Next, look for the attachment icon near the message field. Click it to display the available sharing options. From the menu that appears, select the poll option to open the poll creation window. Now it's time to create your poll. In the question field, type the question you want participants to answer. Make your question clear and easy to understand so everyone knows exactly what they're voting on. After entering your question, add the answer choices. Type your first option, then continue adding additional options one by one. Telegram allows you to include multiple choices, giving participants several possible answers depending on the topic of your poll. Once you've entered all of your answer options, review everything to make sure there are no spelling mistakes or missing choices. If you need to make changes, simply edit the question or any of the options before posting the poll. Next, check the poll settings. Make sure the Show Who Voted option is disabled. When this setting is turned off, Telegram hides the identities of everyone who votes. Other members will only see the voting results and the total number of votes, not who selected each option. You may also notice additional poll settings, such as allowing multiple answers or allow revoting. These are optional features, so you can leave them unchanged if your goal is simply to create a standard anonymous poll. After confirming that anonymous voting is disabled and everything looks correct, click the Create or Send button to publish your poll in the chat. Your anonymous poll will immediately appear in the conversation, and members can begin voting. As votes are submitted, you'll see the results update in real time, while the identities of voters remain hidden. And that's how to create anonymous polls on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.